Louisville, Kentucky to celebrate an American icon. Today we're going to find the grave and hopefully the secret 11 herbs and spices of the late great Colonel Sanders. Look at this amazing shirt I got. Let's go see what we can find. Grab a bucket of chicken, finger licking.
Get a bucket of chicken, finger licking good. Have a barrel of fun. Goodbye, ho hum. Get Kentucky Fried Chicken. Come on, everyone. Have a finger licking good time. Barrel of fun.
We're here at Cave Hill Cemetery to find the grave of Mr. Colonel Sanders. And here he is right here. The man, the myth, the legend. Colonel Sanders, born in Henryville, Indiana in September 9th, 1890, died December 16th, 1980. And they have this awesome bust of the Colonel right here. Colonel Harlan Sanders. He's buried with his wife, Claudia. Sanders began selling fried chicken from his roadside restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky during the Great Depression. I found it interesting that Colonel Sanders' career didn't take off until he was 65 years old, where the Colonel began franchising his chicken business using only a $105 monthly Social Security check. And over here, we have his daughter, Margaret Sanders. And some other family members of the Colonel. I like this statue here with the ballerina. Not to be confused as a military colonel, but Sanders became a Kentucky colonel in 1950 by the governor of Kentucky. His image is still used today to market the franchise of Kentucky Fried Chicken. That head is still on every bucket of KFC to this day. Until his death in 1980, he traveled over 250,000 miles a year visiting the KFC empires that he helped find. KFC remains the world's most popular chicken restaurant. Now you would think the first KFC would be in Kentucky, but actually it was built in Salt Lake City, Utah in 1952. I'm not sure why. A little fun fact there. Here's a front view. And the back view. Now at the age of 90, the Colonel was stricken with leukemia, and on December 16, 1980, Sanders died of pneumonia at a Jewish hospital in Louisville, Kentucky. He was 90 years old. I love the grave here that they built for him. Colonel Harlan Sanders in Louisville, Kentucky at the Cave Hill Cemetery. I highly recommend checking it out if you get a chance. He's buried here with another notable person, Muhammad Ali. And we're gonna go check that out next. Now, like I do with all the famous graves I go to, we're gonna leave a few mementos for Colonel Sanders here. I'm gonna leave my YouTube magnet. And Lorena's got a memento. Oh, that's perfect. We just want to say thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see you later.